Merry Christmas, not happy holidays, not a vague winter greeting. Christmas. For all the noise, decorations, shopping, and distractions, Christmas still means one thing: the birth of Jesus Christ. And if we forget that, we've missed the entire point. Today, let's strip it back to what matters and tell the story that changed the world. Over 2,000 years ago, in a small and insignificant town called Bethlehem, something happened that divided history itself into before and after. Not in a palace, not surrounded by power, but in humility. This is the reason for the season. The Gospel of Luke tells us that the decree went out from Caesar Augustus that all the world should be registered for a census. Because of this, Joseph traveled from Nazareth to Bethlehem, the city of David, along with Mary, who was pledged to be his wife and was expecting a child. When they arrived, there was no room for them in the inn. So Mary gave birth to her firstborn son in a stable. She wrapped him in swaddling clothes and laid him in a manger, a feeding trough. That child was Jesus. That night, shepherds were watching their flocks when an angel appeared to them and said, "Do not be afraid. I bring you good news and great joy that will be for all people. That today in the town of David, a Savior has been born to you. He is Christ the Lord." Suddenly, the sky filled with angels praising God, not kings, not politicians, not the elite. God chose shepherds, ordinary working men, to hear the news first. Later, wise men from the east followed a star, traveling great distances to find the child. They brought gifts fit for a king: gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Jesus, fully God and fully man, entered the world not to rule with force, but to save through sacrifice. Jesus didn't stay in the manger. He grew. He taught. He healed. He challenged religious hypocrisy. He loved the forgotten. And eventually, he went to the cross willingly. Christmas only makes sense because of Easter. The cradle points to the cross, and the cross points to redemption. So yes, enjoy the lights, enjoy the food, enjoy time with family, but don't forget why Christmas exists in the first place. Jesus Christ came into this broken world to bring hope, forgiveness, and salvation. That's not tradition. That's truth. From my family to yours, Merry Christmas. Guys, thank you so much for watching HamShackTV. Thank you for being here. I hope that you are enjoying Christmas with your family. We'll be back to regular content tomorrow. Thank you so much for your support here on HamShackTV. Make sure to like and subscribe. No sponsor today. This one's for you all. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.